I have an RV hack. I think this is going to be a game changer for my situation. I wonder if it might be applicable for you as well. Have you ever been concerned about mold or mildew in your RV? Then you might want to stick around, because I think I've got a great solution, at least if your main concern is underneath the mattress. Oh, and if you really want to amplify your mattress comfort. A couple of times while we were all camping this winter, we had moisture behind the mattress and down below the mattress. That was very concerning to me. So I tried a couple of things. There's a product called Damp Right, which I had tried. And quite honestly, when I had opened it, I felt like there was kind of a film in the air. I really can't explain it. And I just wasn't really happy with the product because of that. We also always crack our window a little bit and leave it open. So there's just a little crack right there. And I also usually do that in the bedroom window as well. And I always leave the fan turned on unless it's raining, of course, but that also helps just to get airflow going in the camper. I also bought these activated charcoal packs that I am going to place in the trailer as well. But that to me just isn't quite enough to keep the dampness from coming in, and I'm mainly concerned about the mattress area. The mattress sits directly on wood, so there's absolutely no airflow that gets underneath the mattress, and that is a big concern. My RV hack is designed to fix this problem, plus make our mattress super comfortable. So the hack and the answer lies in this box here. In this box is the Froli Star System. It's actually the same system that can be found in the Tab campers made by New Camp. I'm going to unbox this and share with you everything that's inside, along with assembly, and show you the results. This is the Froli Star model. This is what the box looks like when you first open it. It's a modular sleep system that is also going to stop moisture from being able to get underneath the mattress by allowing airflow. I'm so excited. First thing I need to do is remove this mattress. All right, I've got the mattress removed. So it's time to start assembling. The Froli Star system consists of a base element, a spring element, and a tension clip. This is what we're going to accomplish. The first step is to lay the base elements, which are these, next to each other. And the neat thing about this system is if you go narrow, meaning that you go close together with these, you're going to have a firmer support system. Or you can bring them further apart, and this is going to be for a softer sleep system. Of course, middle would be kind of a medium sleep system. So we're going to go with firm, and then we've got to assemble all these. So the first thing they say is just to lay them out. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going this way. There's an arrow on here, and you need to have the arrows pointing the same way on all of the base elements that you put down. That step is now all done. I've got them all set in line like they're supposed to be. I did run short here. Got a couple extra pieces that I'm going to have to order, but that's no big deal. The reason I ran short is because I'm using the narrow settings here. So if I had opted for a more softer setting, this would have definitely all fit. On to step number 2. They provide an assembly tool for step number 2. You simply take the assembly tool and you press down where you've interlocked these bases together, and you just simply push and you pop them into place. That's easy. Step number 2 is done. That was really easy. Altogether, I think so far maybe an hour I've spent, if that, on step number 1 and number 2. So now on to step number 3. Next up, we have to assemble this spring element onto each base. You put it in and you twist it. These spring elements come in 2 colors, the dark blue and the light blue. The light blue are suggested for your shoulder area because they've got a little bit more spring to them. These are firmer, so the blue are firmer. So they suggest that the light blue go in rows 3 and 4 for your shoulder. So the first 2 rows up by the head area, I did the dark blue, and then rows number 3 and 4, I did the light blue. I can just feel the quality of these. I'm really excited about this and have a feeling that this is just going to be like sleeping at a 5-star hotel. Look at the spring on those. Yeah, that's really going to enhance our sleeping. In addition to having this extra spring and comfort for the mattress, look at all the airspace that is underneath these springs. It's going to be great airflow, therefore eliminating all of the moisture, which will also eliminate mildew and mold issues. Step 3 is completed, and that was just as easy as step number 1 and 2. The last and final step is optional, but the system comes with these tension clips, and they simply can be inserted into the top here of the dark blue springs, and they're going to add some extra firmness. Like I said, they say this is optional, but it does add firmness. I opted to put the extra support with the red springs in the 5th, 6th, and 7th row. I can't tell you how good of a quality these feel like. I'm so excited. You know, when you buy something and you're hoping for the best and you can just feel the quality, and the quality just feels way better than expected. That's how this feels. It's completely installed. Now I just have to put the mattress back on. There is not going to be any moisture that's going to be able to stay underneath the mattress now with all this great airflow. I'm so excited to test it out tonight. The installed height of these springs is 1 3/4 inches. I can feel a difference. My main fear for doing all of this was definitely moisture and the possibility of mold and mildew. That really, really scared me. I just wouldn't want any mildew or mold to get in here in the first place. So I wanted to take this extra precaution to make sure that that did not happen. Mold can be so dangerous for our health, and I knew that underneath our mattress was a place that did not get any airflow, and with any condensation that would occur in here, it would be a breathing ground for mold, and I just did not want to take that chance. I don't have to think about that anymore, and I know that that concern has been addressed, Plus, it's so comfortable. I will report back after we've slept on the mattress for a couple of times and let you know exactly about the extra comfort and the extra firmness and see, what a difference it made for us while we're sleeping. I'm super excited about this RV hack. I'll call it my RV moisture comfort mattress hack. Look at the description below this video for more details if you're interested, or if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and learn what you have done to reduce moisture in your RV, and if you've done anything to help with your mattress and sleep improvement. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. I can't wait to see you on my next adventure.